Okay, your question is, what do you think are the sacrifices women make more than men? Ano ba ang mga sakripisyo ng mga babae na higit pa sa sakripisyo ng mga lalaki? Tita, kaya mo ba?
No. Thank you for that question. Throughout history, women have been relegated to second-class citizens in society, but times have changed, and their problems are now related to their roles in their families.
Morgana.
Morgana, okay ka lang?
I'm fine. Kasalanan mo lahat to, Lynette eh.
Morgana, bakit mo sinisisi yung nanay ko?
Isa ka pa!
Morgana!